The father of economics is. Answer is option A, Adam Smith. The concepts of wages, rent, interest, and profit are studied under which branch of economics? Answer is option D, microeconomics. Who is known as the founding father of macroeconomics? Answer is option D, John Maynard Keynes. Friends, John Maynard Keynes is known as the founding father of macroeconomics as a separate discipline. He was born on June 5, 1883 in Cambridge. India is considered to be which of the following types of economy? Answer is option A, mixed economy. Who coined the term mixed economy? Answer is option C, Pat Mullins. The closed economy is the economy in which. Answer is option C, there is no foreign trade. Jobs that involve high degrees and level of innovations are known as. Answer is option D, plenary activities. Nobel Prize for Economics was instituted in the year blank. Answer is option C, 1968. Friends, if we understand in detail, the Nobel Prize for Economics was instituted in 1968 but was first awarded in 1969. The first prize in economics was awarded in 1969 to Ragnar Fish and Jan Tinbergen for having developed and applied dynamic models for the analysis of economic processes. The first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Economics is. Answer is option B, Amartya Kumar Sen. Friends, let's know about Nobel Prize. It is a set of annual international awards bestowed in 6 categories like physics, medicine, peace, chemistry, literature, and economics by Swedish and Norwegian institutions. This award was established by Alfred Nobel in 1895. All the prize is given by Swedish institutions except the Nobel Prize in Peace category is given by Norway institutions. The report on national and per capita income is published by which of the following ministries in India? Answer is option D, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. If we divide the national income of country by total population, then we get blank. Answer is option D, per capita income. The theory of laissez-faire was advocated by. Answer is option B, Adam Smith. The Gandhian economy is based on the principle of. Answer is option C, trusteeship. Blank is known as the father of scientific socialism. Answer is option D, Karl Marx. Who is called the pioneer of liberalization of Indian economy? Answer is option B, Manmohan Singh. Economic growth in country X will necessarily have to occur if. Answer is option D, there is capital formation in X. The most appropriate measure of a country's economic growth is its. Answer is option A, per capita product. During which 5-year plan the national income growth rate was the lowest? Answer is option B, third plan. Despite being a high-saving economy, capital formation may not result in significant increase in output due to. Answer is option B, high capital output ratio. Which of the following 5-year plans witnessed the highest growth rate in India? Answer is option C, 11th plan.